When you're out on the job, you don't just need tools, you need gear that keeps up. Bosch has a reputation for making rugged, reliable equipment, and this lineup proves exactly why. From heavy-duty drills to precision scanners and high-powered lights, these tools are built to handle anything you throw at them. Let's check out 10 Bosch tools that make tough jobs a whole lot easier. You're drilling into concrete 1 minute, driving long screws the next, no time to adjust settings or fight torque kickback. The Bosch GSB 18V65 hammer drill driver is built for that kind of pace, delivering 575 in-pounds of max torque from its brushless motor with smooth, responsive control. The rapid mode selector lets you switch instantly between hammering, drilling, and driving without touching the clutch, while kickback control helps prevent wrist-jarring rotation in bind-up situations. Dual LED work lights keep your workspace visible even in low light, and the compact design makes it easy to maneuver in tight spots. Whether you're working overhead, under pressure, or across materials, this drill is engineered to keep up. Powerful, precise, and ready for whatever the job throws at you. Mixing mortar or epoxy shouldn't feel like a wrestling match. The Bosch GRW 18V 160 high torque mixer is built to power through heavy-duty materials like drywall mud, stucco, thin set, and more with ease. Its 2-speed settings, 0 to 530 RPM and 0 to 720 RPM, let you dial in the right pace for the job, while the variable speed wheel adds precision control. Soft start technology keeps splashing to a minimum, and kickback control helps protect against sudden torque jolts during tough mixes. The dual-handle ergonomic design offers maximum control, and the rear-centered battery improves balance and comfort. With an M14 by 2.0 threaded spindle, it securely fits standard mixing paddles, making this tool a reliable workhorse for demanding applications. When the job site's dim and productivity is on the line, the Bosch GLA 18VH 7500 hybrid area light steps in with serious illumination. Choose from 3 brightness modes, 2500, 5000, or 7500 lumens to match the task, and toggle between 360-degree full coverage or 180-degree directional lighting for targeted visibility. The intuitive interface makes adjustments easy and includes a battery status indicator for quick checks. Powered by either a Bosch 18V battery or 120-volt AC, it's ready for mobile or continuous use. Mounted overhead, on a tripod, or hang it with the self-centering hook. This light fits wherever you need it. Plus, the built-in 15-watt USB-C port keeps your devices charged while you work. Bright, flexible, and built for the field. Cutting through metal pipe or conduit on site, you need precision, power, and portability. And the Bosch GCD 18V14 dry cut saw delivers all 3. This cordless 14-inch saw runs on Bosch's Core 18V battery platform, offering serious runtime without the tether. The integrated laser guide ensures clean, accurate cuts, while the overload indicator gives real-time feedback to protect the motor. With the K adapter that grips round stock from 2 to 4.5 inches and a toolless adjustable vise stop for quick miter cuts up to 45 degrees, setup is fast and frustration-free. Its compact, collapsible design makes transport and storage easy, so you can take precision cutting wherever the job demands. Built for pros who need mobility without compromise. You're heading to a job site with your rotary laser, tripod, and gear, but juggling loose cases and accessories slows you down. The Bosch GBP 2117 rotary laser backpack solves that with a hands-free, ergonomic design built for protection and convenience. Its blow-molded shell shields your tools from impact, while its customizable foam interior keeps everything secure in transit. A separate back pocket stores your laptop or notes, and exterior straps hold tripods and extras within reach. The padded back panel ensures all-day comfort, and the waterproof zipper protects against moisture. With an included carabiner hook for easy hanging, this backpack is the smart way to transport your gear. Organized, protected, and ready for the next job.
You're driving lag bolts into dense framing or swapping bits mid-task. Speed and control matter. The Bosch GDR18V215 brushless impact driver delivers both, with a powerful motor that cranks out 1,900 in-pounds of torque and up to 3,800 impacts per minute. Whether you're fastening into wood, metal, or composite, the 2-speed/torque settings give you the precision to match the job. The 1/4-inch quick-change hex chuck makes bit swaps fast and secure, while the lightweight ergonomic design keeps fatigue at bay during long sessions. Built for pros who need performance without compromise, this impact driver is your go-to for high-demand fastening tasks. Compact, efficient, and ready to work. You're about to drill into concrete, but what's behind it? Rebar, wiring, or a hidden hazard? The Bosch DTEC 200C wall scanner takes the guesswork out of the equation. With advanced radar technology and a high-resolution touchscreen interface, it detects objects in concrete, drywall, and other materials with pinpoint accuracy. It identifies live wires, metal, plastic pipes, wood studs, and even voids, helping you avoid costly mistakes. The visual and audio alerts, combined with depth indication, give you real-time feedback, while the USB-C port and micro SD slot make data sharing and storage easy. Whether you're corning, anchoring, or inspecting, the DTEC 200C lets you scan with confidence, because the most dangerous things are the ones you can't see. You're edge joining panels for a cabinet build and need clean, consistent slots. No guesswork, no fuss. The Bosch GFF 18V086-18V brushless Biscuit joiner delivers precision and power in a cordless package built for serious woodworking. Its brushless motor slices through hardwoods with ease while maximizing battery life, and the tool-free depth adjustment lets you dial in cuts up to 0.87 inches in seconds. The adjustable fence offers angles from 0 degrees to 90 degrees with positive stops for repeatable accuracy. And switching between number 0, number 10, and number 20 biscuits is quick and intuitive. With efficient dust collection via the included bag or Bosch extractors, this joiner keeps your workspace clean and your workflow smooth. Built for tight joints and pro results, the Bosch GAL 18V-160 turbocharger keeps your tools powered and productivity high. Delivering a 16-amp charging current, it's at least 70% faster than standard Bosch 18V fast chargers when paired with a Core 18V 8AH battery. A depleted Core 18V 4AH battery hits 50% in just 9 minutes and reaches full charge in about 35 minutes. Perfect for tight schedules and high-demand workflows. The integrated mode button lets you toggle between power boost, long life, and standard charging modes, giving you control over speed and battery longevity. Whether you're in the shop or on site, this high-power charger is built to keep your cordless lineup running strong and ready for action. You're driving long screws into framing or installing hardware at tricky angles. Precision matters. The Bosch GSB 18V1330C hammer drill and GSR 18V1330C drill driver bring unmatched muscle to the job with a class-leading 1,330 in-pounds of max torque, making them the most powerful in Bosch's lineup. Connect either tool to the Bosch Toolbox app and unlock customized settings, including the innovative electronic angle detection. This feature helps you install fasteners perfectly straight or at a precise angle, reducing errors and improving consistency. Whether you're anchoring into concrete or assembling cabinetry, these drills combine raw power with smart control for pro-level results every time. And that's Bosch in a nutshell. Smart, powerful tools that make your work faster, cleaner, and safer. Whether you're in construction, carpentry, or just love reliable gear, these tools are made to perform. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, share it with your crew, and subscribe for more real-world tool reviews and hands-on tests. See you at the next one.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.